Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to delete your Gmail account permanently. And I know why you are here. Maybe you are tired of Google knowing everything about you, or you have too many accounts and you want to clean up, or maybe you just want a fresh start. Whatever your reason is, I completely understand that. And the good news is we are going to do this in just a few simple steps, and your Gmail account will be deleted permanently. So let's get started. But before we get into that, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Reporter, because we bring you the most accurate and up-to-date tech guides every single week, and it really helps us grow. Now let's get into it. Now before we jump into the steps, I want you to understand something important. Deleting your Gmail account is not as simple as it sounds. There are things connected to your Gmail account that most people never think about. And if you delete it the wrong way, you could lose access to years of important data. You could lose your Google Drive files permanently. You could lose your YouTube account, Google Photos, even the apps you purchased on Play Store. Everything can be deleted, permanently. So in this video, we are not just going to click delete. I will tell you the way that protects you before, during, and after deletion. Now let us talk about what actually happens when you delete your Gmail account, because most people think deleting Gmail just removes their email address, but this is not true. Your Gmail account and your Google account are two different things. When you delete only your Gmail account, your Google account still exists. You will lose your email address permanently. Anyone who tries to send an email to your old Gmail address will get a delivery failure notice, and that email address can never be recreated by you or by anyone else. It is gone from the Google system permanently. But your Google account remains active. Your Drive files, YouTube channel, Google Photos, and app purchases on Play Store remain. Now, if you want to delete your entire Google account, that is a different process entirely, and we are going to cover both in this video. First, we will cover how to delete only your Gmail address. Then we will cover how to delete your entire Google account completely, so you can choose exactly what applies to your situation. Now, before you delete anything, there are things you must do first. Do not skip this section, because once you delete your Gmail or your Google account, the process is irreversible. There is a short recovery window of approximately 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your account activity. But after that window closes, there is nothing Google can do to restore it. So here's what you need to do before you delete anything. Step 1 is download all your data. Go to your Google account settings. You will see an option called Google Takeout. This is Google's official tool for downloading all your data. Go to takeout.google.com. Select the data you want to download. This includes Gmail emails, Google Drive files, Google Photos, YouTube data, contacts, calendar, and much more. Select your file format. We recommend downloading as a zip file. Choose your delivery method. Google will send you a download link via email. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on how much data you have. Once you receive the download link, save everything to an external hard drive or a secure cloud storage service that is not Google. This step is non-negotiable. Do it before anything else. Think about every service you have signed up for using your Gmail address. Your bank accounts, social media platforms, streaming services, work accounts, government portals, and online shopping accounts. Every single one of these is connected to your Gmail address. If you delete your Gmail without updating these accounts, you will lose access to all of them permanently. You will not be able to reset passwords or verification codes. So before you delete, go through every important account and update the email address to a new one. This step takes time, but it is absolutely critical. Write down any important information stored in your Google account, saved passwords in Google Password Manager. Transfer all of this to a safe location before proceeding. Now, if you only want to remove your Gmail email address but keep your Google account active, here is exactly how to do it. Step 1 is, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. Double-check the account name in the top right corner. Now moving to step 2. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu. Click on Data and Privacy. Step 3 is to scroll down until you see a section called Data from Apps and Services You Use. Under this section, you will find Delete a Google Service. Click on that. Now on step 4, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your password and proceed. In step 5, you will now see a list of Google services you can delete individually. Find Gmail in this list. Click the delete icon next to Gmail. Step 6. Google will ask you to provide an alternative email address. This is important. This alternative email will become your new Google account login. Enter a non-Gmail email address. This could be an Outlook address, a Yahoo address, or any other email provider. And step 7. Google will send a verification email to that alternative address. Open that email and click the confirmation link. Now the last step, step 8. Once you confirm, Google will begin the process of removing your Gmail address. Your Google account remains fully active, but your Gmail email address is now permanently deleted. Now if you want to go further, if you want to delete everything, your Gmail, your Drive, your YouTube, your photos, your entire Google presence, here's how to do that. Step 1 is go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the account you want to delete. And step 2 is click on Data and Privacy in the left menu. Step 3 is scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page. You will find a section called More Options. Under that section, you will see Delete your Google account. Click on it. Last step. Step 4. Google will show you a detailed summary of everything that will be deleted. Read this carefully. This includes all Gmail emails, Google Drive files, Google Photos, YouTube channel and all videos, app purchases on Google Play Store, Google Maps contributions, everything associated with this account. In step 5, Google will ask you to download your data one more time before proceeding. If you have already done this in the preparation steps, you can proceed. If not, do it now. In step 6, you will be asked to check 2 confirmation boxes. These boxes confirm that you understand the deletion is permanent. Check both boxes. Then click Delete Account. Google will ask you to verify your password one final time. Enter your password and confirm. Last step is your account deletion process has now been initiated. You will receive a confirmation email at any recovery email address associated with your account. Now let us talk about what happens after you delete your account, because there are things you need to know. After deletion, Google provides a recovery window. This window is approximately 2 to 3 weeks. During this period, if you change your mind, you can go to accounts.google.com and attempt to recover your account. Google will guide you through the recovery process. But once this window closes, the deletion is absolute and permanent. If someone tries to email your old Gmail address, they will receive an automatic bounce-back message. The email will not be delivered. Your name will no longer appear in Google search results connected to that account. What you will lose forever. Your Gmail address can never be registered again. It is permanently removed from Google's system. Your purchased apps on Google Play Store are gone. Even if you create a new Google account, you cannot recover those purchases. Your Google Drive files are gone, permanently. Your Google Photos are gone permanently, unless you downloaded them beforehand. Now, before you make this decision, I want to make sure you have considered the alternatives, because sometimes deletion is not the best option. Option 1 is simply stop using it. You can keep your Gmail account active but stop using it. Create a new email with a different provider. Forward any important emails from Gmail to your new address, and simply stop logging into Gmail. The account remains, but you are not actively using it. Option 2 is switch to a privacy-focused email provider. If your reason for deleting Gmail is privacy, there are excellent alternatives. ProtonMail, Tutanota, Fastmail. These services do not build behavioral profiles of their users. They do not scan your emails for advertising purposes. They do not sell your data. They are built on a fundamentally different business model than Google. And last option is use Gmail offline mode. If storage and organization is your concern, you can use Gmail in offline mode. This keeps your account active but limits data syncing. The decision is yours. But whatever you decide, make sure you have downloaded your data first. Make sure you have updated your email address on every important account. Make sure you are absolutely certain before you click that final delete button. Because once that window closes, there is no going back. If this video helped you today, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps Tech Reporter reach more people who need this information. If you are new here, subscribe to Tech Reporter because we cover exactly these kinds of complete, practical tech guides every single week. And if you have any questions about the deletion process, drop them in the comments below. I read every single comment and I will help you personally. I will see you in the next video. Take care.